My outfits I've been wearing on repeat. They're super simple outfits that are still cute. They're very practical for day to day, and they're tummy friendly. Not that any outfit isn't, but it's just like comfortable being pregnant. Okay, and this video is sponsored by Lily Silk, so I wanted to say thank you so much for sponsoring. I am so excited about this collection from Lily Silk. We'll talk about them in a little bit. Let's accessorize this look. I did forget to say that this turtleneck is from Lily Silk. It feels like butter. It is the perfect layering base for wearing any jacket over top. And I feel like I was really missing out on these tighter long sleeves to wear under jackets that still look good when the jacket comes off, because sometimes just like a super chunky sweater doesn't always cut it. And I love that this one is a turtleneck and it really shows through. I think this outfit looks cute as is. I have it on with some low-rise baggy jeans and my little ballet flats. There's something about this more mod style jacket makes me want to wear a more like dainty feminine shoe. Today was the first day that there was frost on the ground in the morning. I can still get away with a ballet flat because I'm used to Michigan winter. But let's zip it up. There's something about a black turtleneck under a jacket or on its own, especially like fitted, that just feels so much more elevated. Also, this jacket obviously makes everything feel really elevated because we're wearing super baggy, comfy, sweatpant level jeans. This outfit's so chic. I normally like a little bit of a smaller bag with it, but especially with expecting, this jacket is so good. It's so roomy. These pants are low-waisted, so they are very comfortable. And I've been wearing this combo, like these three, nonstop. The shoes I do change out a bit, just depending on like what's by the front door, if I'm being completely honest. But my favorite is ballet flat. And if I was like more so thinking of my outfit I'm putting together, this is how I would wear it. I have the back of this jacket like all unbuttoned. I think it's fine. Okay, and as we move on with these very casual, comfortable outfits, the main thing I do when putting these kind of things together is think of a hero piece. And I've talked about this before on my channel. A lot of these outfits, most of the things are basics that I would assume a lot of you already have in your closet. And then just pick one thing that's really going to stand out and it's going to save the outfit, make the outfit, make it interesting, chic, feel more fashionable while you're still comfortable wearing what you always wear. My sunglasses! I was looking for those. What was I saying? In this outfit, the statement piece would be the jacket because it's large, it's kind of a fun silhouette, it's got the like high neckline, but it still doesn't feel like crazy. Like I'm not wearing anything out of the ordinary. I still feel super comfortable and confident, even when I'm not feeling the most comfortable and confident in my body. Next outfit. Before we get any further into this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Lily Silk for sponsoring. And I'm so excited because Lily Silk has recently come out with a loungewear collection, which is just so up my alley for being pregnant and also just like the cooler seasons. I like to dress comfy. I've always loved a crew neck. I've always loved a sweatshirt. I've always loved a jogger. And now to have them from Lily Silk, this luxurious fabric that I can feel good about holding a baby in, putting on my body, holding a toddler in, wearing all day is so incredible. You're gonna see all the items in this video, including this adorable crew neck polo sweatshirt, the matching joggers that I'm literally living in. These pieces are made from their new Silkary fabric. It's your everyday cocoon of silk-infused comfort. These pieces have 100% silk loops, so you can move, rest, and breathe in fabric that protects, cools, and cares. And then surrounding the silk layer is a natural cotton terry, forming a breathable, structured outer shell. I'm always on the hunt for a good loungewear item that is made from great materials. I feel like I talk about that a lot, and it's kind of why I stray away from athleisure so much. I'm so excited about these pieces from Lily Silk. Lily Silk focuses on investing in better quality, and when you get that first Lily Silk package and you open it, it feels luxurious. It's something that I have not experienced with other brands because this feels like true luxury, but at such a better value. Their products rival luxury brands in terms of fabric, craftsmanship, and design. These pieces are made to last. They're not following trends. Like I've been saying this whole video, staple pieces that you can wear forever. You're paying for quality with these pieces, not just the label. Fabrics are soft and skin friendly, with high quality materials like silk, wool, cashmere. Seriously, Lily Silk is the place for these kind of basics when you want to invest, when you want to keep these forever, when you want to feel good about what you're wearing, even when it's something as casual as a crew neck or joggers or a basic turtleneck. If you guys want to check out Lily Silk, I will have everything I wore linked in the description box. And thank you again to Lily Silk for sponsoring this video. Let's get into the rest of it. This skirt and sweatshirt are also from Lily Silk. This skirt just feels like sweatpants, but so much more elevated. I've been wanting a skirt this length, this cut, this fabric, all the above for a while now. So I'm really happy I have this one. Also, crew necks are like my favorite things in the entire world to wear. I love when it's crew neck season. This one's also from Lily Silk and it is perfection. I paired it with Moto boots, that same little green bag. I just feel like it fits in the color scheme even though it's green. Maybe I could do black, but my black bag that I'm like been wearing day to day is my, okay, well, let me be real. This is what I've been wearing. I just don't think it's as cute. This I think it's fine. You know, like when you're getting dressed day to day, just like to run out the door, sometimes I will put on an outfit like this. I really don't think about the shoes in the bag because I'm being a lot more practical. I have been wearing these boots a bit more just because when I want to wear a skirt, I want to wear a boot with them. And these are very comfortable. But then I like to dress it down with like the beanie. Also love that I can wear a beanie again because it saves bad hair days. And then I normally wear this crossbody like that. It just makes the whole look so casual but so cool, girl. You don't have to have a certain type of body to wear this outfit. Not that I think you have to have a certain type of body to wear any outfit, but you're picking up what I'm putting down. I think anybody can feel comfortable and confident in this kind of outfit, and I feel like that with all of these outfits. That's really cool. Next look. I'm not using my mic still because I broke my camera and this camera doesn't attach a mic, so I'm sorry. Bear with me. Okay, if you followed me last time I was pregnant, these pants were my go-to and like the only thing I was wearing. They are like pajama pants. And then I have this incredible sweater from Lily Silk on. It's got this beautiful neckline, perfect sleeves. Lily Silk is so known for their sweaters as well as like their silk. And then now my new favorite, their loungewear line. It's so funny because I've worn this outfit, obviously, that's this video. When I like look at myself for too long in the mirror, I like start questioning everything, but this outfit's totally fine. We've got Doc Martens, the sweater, pinstripe pants. I'm trying to think like what jacket I would do with this as it gets a little bit cooler outside. And maybe if we could like accessorize it a little more, but in this outfit, obviously, pinstripe pants are like the main thing. And it kind of does like complete the outfit totally fine in my opinion. Maybe like a Papa Red hat. Actually don't want to put on a hat again. Oh, but that will be cute. Oh, and I'm not carrying my purse, that's why. I think that's cute. If I'm wearing a hat though, like I definitely need a jacket. Okay, well here's part one of the outfit. I think the hat's cute with it. I always feel like a little skater girl when I have like a beanie on and like my pixie, so no hair's coming out. It gives that. I love this red hat. The color's so good. And then I think if I added just like my green puffer jacket, which I have over here because I wore today, and I think I'm styling it in an outfit today. But I've been wearing this jacket non-stop. I've realized I just don't want to be cold anymore. I just want to wear the right jacket. And you know this girl always zips it to the top. But I wanted to show my sweater underneath, but I would tuck it all in. And then in the winter, I always switch to this messenger bag because it works so well with a puffer jacket. And yeah, here's like the next version of the outfit. I really like showing these pants. I twisted you a little bit. I really like showing these pants styled in the winter time. They are not the warmest pants. Like if I knew I was going to be outside all day, probably wouldn't wear them or would just wear like leggings underneath or something. But they are so comfortable for a growing tummy or just in general. Yeah, this is like such a classic winter pregnant Lainey outfit. But also I can see myself wearing this not pregnant as well. I think I just always wear jeans when I'm not pregnant. And now I only have one pair of jeans that really fit. So next outfit. Base of the next outfit, I have purple track pants on with this amazing, super thin, super cozy long sleeve from Lily Silk. And then I also have my Moto boots on with it. And I really like how it looks because you can't see them. I have to get these hemmed to like go up sides, obviously, because I'm growing. How many times can I say that? But now they're too long. But then the jacket and the accessories on top. I only just got these purple track pants. I was really running low on winter pants because last time I was pregnant, I was only pregnant in the cooler months at the very beginning beginning and then for November basically. My daughter was born in November and I hunkered down the last month of my pregnancy because I was scared to get sick. It was when COVID was still pretty crazy and I did not want to have to push her out with a mask on. I feel like I've talked about not really loving the like track pants or little track shorts dressed up, but these I love because they're actually like knit, and I don't think this is like super dressed up. I'm not wearing with heels, but you can see they're knit material. I got these off eBay. And then for a little more pop of color, I love this scarf. I've had it since high school. And I think that this is such a chic outfit. Again, I'd probably just wear it with my messenger bag. Okay, I'm saying I've been just wearing it with my messenger bag because that's like my bag I've been carrying recently. I just switched from my suede bag to the messenger bag because I've been wearing my puffer jacket, and literally like this is my puffer jacket bag. Like it's still a super cute bag. I love it. I love this scarf. I love the purple and the brown and just like the pink with the purple. I really wanted like a green jacket to wear with these purple pants, and I was like, that's a little insane. Get a jacket just to wear with my purple pants. But yeah, this is probably my favorite outfit. It's one that looks good even as I'm staring at it a bit longer than I normally do. Okay, I think we've got one more outfit. Well, okay, kind of two more. I literally just said I wanted a green jacket, and I meant like a green jacket that's a little more dressed up because I wore this yesterday, this exact outfit. And that's why this jacket has a stain on it. Are you not in focus? This jacket has a little stain on it. We went to the farmer's market, my daughter and I, and we got kielbasa and pierogies at a stand, and the grease stripped down. So I have to clean this, but it's machine washable. But I love the green with the purple, and I love that they're both kind of like more muted tones, so it doesn't feel like Barney at all. It's honestly just super cute. I got my posture so horrible when I have a belly. And then I just pair it obviously with my bag that I was wearing it with. But it's so cute. Like, I think it's, like I keep saying, so casual. There's nothing crazy about these outfits, but I do think like if I saw somebody on the streets in these outfits, I'd be like, cute. Like, you look cute. On the street. They're very different. Then, what was I gonna say? This pregnancy brain is too much. Let's just do the last outfit. I saved it for last because I'm wearing it the rest of the day, and you'll see why. As soon as it's fall, this is my actual outfit of choice, is a sweat set. And I adore this one from Lily Silk because it's the collared crew neck, so it just feels a little bit more elevated. I don't really like wearing the crew neck in the set because sometimes it gives like, I don't know. I just don't love it. This I adore, and my favorite way of wearing it is with a pop of color beanie and a pop of color shoe. It makes it feel like, again, styled more than just wearing it, throwing it on. I love having pops of color accessories because they really help the look as a whole. And then again, just like grabbing my daily bag. If I had sunnies, I would put them on with this. I don't think my 70s sunnies really go with this. I need more of like a sleek look, but oh, like, isn't it cute? And I definitely needed new joggers because I'm a jogger girl. I don't care for a sweatpant unless it's a track pant, like a straight leg sweatpant. I want a jogger. I still think they're so cute. They're comfier. They don't go under your heel. Pro jogger. And with this sweatshirt, like, they really spoke to me with this combo. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was definitely a bit shorter and more casual outfits, but it's really what I've been wearing recently, trying to feel comfortable with my growing tummy and my growing body, honestly, because when I get pregnant, it is not just my tummy that grows. But this is definitely what's helping me feel cute and comfortable, and like my body changing means I can't dress how I want to. This is how I just want to dress right now. I love you guys absolute most. Remember, check out Lily Silk, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.